Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi everyone, welcome to Test Prep Training. In this video you will learn about the top interview questions for Microsoft Azure Data Fundamentals. So let's get started. Question number 1, explain the term Azure. Your answer is: Azure refers to a cloud platform developed by Microsoft that helps businesses to operate in the cloud. The cloud platform provides a pay-as-you-go payment method. Moreover, Azure provides infrastructure, hardware, operating systems, document services, storage, databases, and data services to help organizations get benefits and growth. Further, using Azure, you can host virtual machines, web servers, database servers, and content storage in Azure. Question number 2, what is cloud computing? Your answer is: cloud computing refers to web-based computing that gives access to businesses and individuals for consuming computing resources and services. This can be virtual machines, databases, processing, memory, pay-as-you-go scheme and more. Moreover, in cloud computing, you get an option for using resources according to the pay-as-you-go model. Lastly, it provides benefits to top organizations by providing large-scale computing with seamless access to virtually limitless resources. Question number 3, can you name the types of services that the cloud offers? Your answer is: cloud offers 3 types of services. First, infrastructure as a service. In this, you get the raw hardware from your cloud provider as a service. Second, platform as a service. This provides a platform for publishing without giving access to the underlying software or OS. Lastly, software as a service. In this, you can use no infrastructure, no platform, simple software without purchasing it. Question number 4, suppose there is a private server on my premises, and I have allocated some of my workloads to the public cloud. Which type of architecture this is? Your answer is: this is a hybrid cloud. This is because both public cloud and private cloud are in use. Question number 5, what makes you choose cloud computing? Your answer is: cloud computing refers to web-based computing that gives access to businesses and individuals for consuming computing resources and services. This can be virtual machines, databases, processing, memory, services, storage, or even a number of calls or events and pay-as-you-go. Due to its growing demand in the market, this is the best thing to start a career in and for better growth. Question number 6, why go with Microsoft Azure and not AWS? Your answer is: Microsoft Azure is 12% cheaper than AWS. Moreover, it offers some extra properties and services. And, talking about the advancement, Azure now offers a whole new set of capabilities and features. Further, using Azure, you can host virtual machines, web servers, database servers, and content storage in Azure. Question number 7, what is Azure Data Factory? Your answer is: Azure Data Factory refers to a cloud-based, data integration ETL service used for automating the movement and transformation of data. Using this, you can develop data-driven workflows for moving data between on-premises and cloud data stores. Moreover, you can execute your data processing either on an Azure-based cloud service or in your own self-hosted compute environments. This can be SSIS, SQL Server, or Oracle. However, after creating a pipeline that performs the action you need, you can schedule it to run periodically, time window scheduling, or trigger the pipeline from an event occurrence. Question number 8, what is Azure SSIS Integration Runtime? How to execute the SSIS package in Data Factory? Your answer is: this is a fully managed cluster of virtual machines hosted in Azure and dedicated used for running SSIS packages in the Data Factory. Moreover, the SSIS IR nodes can be scaled up by configuring the node size. Likewise, they can be scaled out by configuring the number of nodes in the VM's cluster. Further, for executing, create an SSIS IR and an SSIS DB catalog hosted in Azure SQL Database, or Azure SQL Managed Instance. Question number 9, name the types of triggers offered by Data Factory. Your answer is: first, the schedule trigger. This is used for executing the ADF pipeline on a wall clock schedule. Second, the tumbling window trigger. This executes the ADF pipeline on a periodic interval and retains the pipeline state. Lastly, the event-based trigger. This responds to a blob-related event for adding or deleting a blob from an Azure storage account. Question number 10. Name the methods for executing any data factory pipeline. Your answer is: the methods include 1. Under debug mode. 2. Manual execution using trigger now. 3. Adding scheduled, tumbling window, or event trigger. Question number 11. Explain the process for creating Azure functions. Your answer is: Azure function is used for running small lines of code or functions in the cloud. In this, we get the option to select the programming languages and we pay only for the time our code executes. Further, it supports a variety of programming languages, like C#, F#, Node.js, Python, PHP, or Java. And, it has support for continuous deployment and integration by letting us develop serverless applications. Question number 12. What is a virtual machine? Your answer is: Azure VM provides the pliability of virtualization while not having to focus or maintain the physical hardware that runs it. But, you continue to maintain the VM by playing tasks. This includes configuring, patching, and putting in the computer code that runs next. Question number 13. What is Microsoft SQL Azure? Your answer is: Microsoft SQL Azure refers to a cloud-based relational database service that is built on SQL Server technologies. This runs in Microsoft data centers on hardware that is owned, hosted, and maintained by Microsoft. Question number 14. What is Azure Active Directory? Your answer is: Azure Active Directory is a multi-tenant, cloud-based directory and identity management service of Microsoft. This has the ability to combine core directory services, application access management, and identity protection into a single solution. Question number 15. What is Azure Kubernetes Services? Your answer is: Azure Kubernetes Service is an instrumentality orchestration service that depends on the open-source Kubernetes system. This service is available on the Microsoft Azure public cloud. And, it is used for deploying, scaling, and managing Docker containers, and container-based applications across a cluster of container hosts. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.